What I have to say about beauty, like work and
Yeah.
although there are many makeup artists in the industry as well, but what you have to say about the brand Bharat and Doris have managed in the industry and created a new kind of brand.
Yes, because Bharat and Doris is the brand which is like well known, and everybody wants to get associated, want to get their makeup done from them because they are superbly good. You can see the models, how beautiful and elegant they are looking. So yes, each and every girl who's into this field or even not want to get makeup done by Bharat Doris.
What a specific occasion of today, and what is the specific of today as such?
Yeah, we would like to show what is the new trend for the upcoming 16. So that this makeup is like totally next year ka makeup and absolutely gorgeous model. Looking they are beautiful. Thank you.
Asking about makeup like why the star are raised in the society as such. Makeup artists also do a lot of hard work in their field as such. Do they get the due credential what they do in their field as such?
Yeah, fully. We get credit, we get everything, and it's a fabulous line.
But still, there are some problems arising. When it
No, that problem is gone now. Over. Now girls also can work easily. No problem.
And what's your planning for future as such? In what bigger way you are going to arise as in industry?
Yeah, I am going to show the nice product next year. Excellent our BND brand, the very internationally, and I am working on that.
And talking generally, today's society, how far people are conscious, men or women, regarding their beauty factor. They want to look beauty, they want to look good as such.
Of course, is very much awareness and makeup and all beauty industry is going like mad and excellent.
And what kind of support you are getting from the television industry and the Bollywood industry and your business?
Superb, no doubt.
You want to make university supporting you in the
Yeah, everybody. These are all the people are here just supporting Bharat and Doris. Thank you very much.
In a few years, you have Bharat and Doris Awards, where every celebrity was present, or every big celebrity was present.
Yes.
In the future also, are you?
Yeah. In October we are planning to do now this year. Let's see. Hopefully.
What does
We do this. See, beauty is natural, but then definitely to enhance it, we need somebody like Bharat and Doris to give, that enhanced beauty.
And it's in terms of bridal makeup, Indian bridals are one of the most beautiful.
Yes.
What do you comment on that?
See, as you said, that Indian bridals are one of the most beautiful brides, and the way they do the makeup, it's more subtle, it goes more real. So nowadays, you're not going with loads of makeup. It's more about more subtle and more natural makeup. So that's what Bharat and Doris are good in, and they really, make a bride or any girl look wonderful.
Have you been individually in makeup guy about this and how was the experience?
No, I'm not yet. So I'm looking forward that they're going to soon do my makeup too. Thank you.
Recently, designed costume for Sunny Leone in the film as well. Have you designed for a bridal as well?
Of course, I think I've done millions bridal. They all are wearing my collection also, and I do always modern and regal looks for the bride. And I have dressed up in my career. I've started my career when I was 19 years, and in 19 years I'm 32 right now, and I've done more than 10,000 brides.
You mean is beauty a natural thing, or an individual can make anybody beautiful by the makeup?
I think so. Makeup and the clothes and overall put together can make any normal girl gorgeous. The beauty lies in the eyes of beholder, So I think so. I don't think so. If anybody exceptionally beautiful it matters. I think a person has to have a class, and she should know how to carry a garment. And when it comes to Bharat Dada, I think so he can make any normal girl to ultra glam.
Yeah, as you said right now, so what do you have to comment on Bharat and Doris style makeup?
I think the words are less. I think they are incredible. They are gorgeous. I think they are. If makeup and art, God was creating this word in the dictionary. I think they created makeup, Bharat and Doris first, and then they created this word. So I think they are magician. They are makeup artists. They're artistic. They're God gifted. I think so. Incredible. जितनी तारीफ करें उतनी कम है.
Do you need anyone somebody specialized to make you beautiful, or you can yourself be by yourself make your?
I think amongst all, you have to have a very good heart. You know, if you've got a very good heart, you know, obviously the beauty or it always reflect all over. So I think so. Yes, overall, designers, makeup and artists, and a jewelry, all three plays a very important role for a woman to make a woman look extraordinary.
Last question: are you working in any film as a costume designer in the future?
I think I'm doing 3 more movies, so, but talks are still on. The negotiations are going on. You will get yet to know.
Very young and pretty. So it is basically targeted to the young brides who are getting married and who would like to wear something of different type. Maybe जैसे मैंने पहना है, मैंने गाउन पहना है, मगर मेरी कुंदन की है. It's you know draped in a nice little flat, as you say, or braid. तो ये collection spring summer के लिए है. If any bride who's getting married now should use this opportunity to see this.
You're looking into the camera, right?
What do you comment on the Bharat and Doris style of makeup? You know, although there are many makeup artists.
They cater not only, I mean, today is obviously a spring summer 2015 bridal creation that he's experimented on us or done on us, but it's basically targeting more to people who, basically to young brides who want to experiment and try something new, young and fresh, rather than experimenting what we've done ages ago, lots of makeup and everything. But I think any bride would want to dress up and she wants to do, you know, over the top makeup maybe, or to look pretty. But at the same time, you should keep it in mind, it's summers, you should use some nice soft colors so that you look pretty and you look fresh and radiant and you're alive throughout the day, considering Indian brides have to stand for hours. So I think he's given us a nice variety of everyone looking different, and at the same time you're looking young and fresh. Barring that, I think it's not only about bridal makeup, it's just they do everything. They have done, I've been doing shows for like past 12 years, and so have all of us, and they've been consistent with, you tell them what look they need to do, and they're so pro. I think you can just shut your eyes as a model and just sit on the chair and you're done and you're out. So it's fun.
I just want to say everything she has said already, but I just want to say that इतने सालों उनको इतने साल हो गए उनको इतना काम करते हुए, but still they are so patient, बहुत patience के साथ, और हर बार वो कुछ नया करते हैं. Like अगर आप इनको देखें, इनका जो makeup है, it's very light, but still it's like it has like little color in it. मेरी coal eyes है, इनका different makeup है. I think they can do any look. You just say.
I think most of the today's time, they would want to be like light on makeup or clothing. So there's an equal combination. My garment may look heavy, but it is light. My makeup may look light, but something is heavy. So there's modern touch to it, but there's also Indianness to it. So, you know, your parents are also happy and you're also happy at the same time. And they know this beauty of combining 2 generations together. And you can see that in 3 of us right now.
You all have been a part of Glamour for long, but you know, all the yesteryear actors like Madhubala or Behda Rahman or Meena Kumari, as far as my knowledge is concerned, they have done minimal makeup in all their films.
वो आपको लगता है?
But
पहले के ज़माने में कैमरा अलग होते थे और उनके मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा होते थे, मगर हमें अंदाज़ा नहीं है क्योंकि हम see, things have changed so much technically, whether it's makeup, whether it's camera, whether it's lighting, there's so much difference now that you can actually, if you see movies, we've seen actresses doing heavy duty makeup unless required. So things have changed, technology has changed. You are holding a mic today, tomorrow you'll be probably shouting from there and I'll be listening in a microchip in my ear. The camera is so fancy right now. You think back in the day it was like that. So I think technology has changed, people have moved forward, young teenagers have come into play, they also want to experiment with something new. मधुबाला के ज़माने में मधुबाला भी बहुत खूबसूरत होती थी, उनको ज़्यादा मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी, मगर तब के जो आर्टिस्ट थे उनका टेक्निक अलग था, वो कैमरा के हिसाब से मेकअप करते थे. तो I think things have changed, we got to move on, we got an experiment, so I suggest it's bridal also. I think
अभी भी जैसे मैं example दिया मैंने इनके मेकअप का, when I see her makeup it's very light. So अभी भी जो टाइम बदल रहा है, पहले तो माशाल्लाह सब जो एक्ट्रेसेस बहुत खूबसूरत थी और अभी भी हैं, but अभी भी I think light makeup में we are coming. अभी कोई इतना dark, we were just talking about it, अभी कोई इतना dark makeup नहीं करता है, right? Yeah.
I think they've answered the question better than your
How to maintain the comfort level as such, wearing all these ornaments, heavy ornaments, dresses and all this.
You know, when you become a woman,
Yeah,
when
you
you're a
love it.
girl, you will like to dress up. आप लड़कों के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, लड़कों को देखा है आपने आजकल, वो तो सब कुछ पहनने लगे लड़के जैसे वाली होती है, they think it's cool, they color their hair, they think it's cool. Yeah.
Then where you would want to, sorry,
Yeah,
you
of course.
then you would want to look like a princess, and princess or a queen, they would always want to dress up the best. आपको लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ heavy पहना या मेरा hair too heavy, but nothing is heavy. Nor my jewelry, nor my garment, nor my makeup.
And we don't do it every day, right? So एक special day होता है, जैसे आज हमारे लिए special day है कि इतना मेकअप किया है हमने, बाल अच्छे से बनाए हैं. So I think we don't do it every day. तो हमारे लिए एक एक excitement रहती है कि ऐसा कुछ करें.
Novelty, I guess.
And my last question, whom do you adore in the present era? An actress, Indian actress, Bollywood actress, especially, when she is in full makeup.
For me, it is going to be Kangana.
For me, it's always Aishwarya Rai Bachchan because I think she's very beautiful. Very beautiful.
For me, obviously, beauty eyes in the beholder. I mean, but I like Vidya Balan a lot. I think she's simple. She's very comfortable in her own skin. She doesn't care about how fat or thin she is, and I love that. A woman who's comfortable in her own body, I think cheers to her. That's what we need to believe in.
She carries the sari so beautifully.
Yeah. जो आप पुरानी actresses की बात कर रहे हैं, so whenever I look at her, मुझे उनकी याद आ जाती है.
Thank you.